Okay, so I have let my hair dry. I had to redo the ponytail at one point because it fell out. So I wanted to take it down and show you what it looks like, but because I'm too tall standing up right now, I'm gonna go ahead and move the stool and the light, and I'm gonna come sit right in front of the camera to take it down and show you what the back of my hair looks like. Bubby, can you not give yourself a bath right now? I'm recording. Stop it. Oh, the top of it's still wet up here. It's kind of like sticking out at the bottom, ain't it? It's not near as wavy as it would be had I been able to braid it tighter. But little buns in the top stayed in. So if you wanted to, you could easily like blow this dry and curl it up. And then the easiest way to get your hair to flip up when you're doing something with short hair like this is hold your hairspray as far back as you can and then shake your head like this when you are spraying the hairspray. And what it does is it allows the hair to freely move and separate. And then as you spray, it like gets interwoven in that hair that's moving, so it causes it to naturally like flip up like this. And then it'll, because it's got hairspray on it, it'll hold in that position flipped up. So I don't know if I would go to all the trouble to wear it like this. I've got a bobby pin stuck in the top of my head. I've lost a few of them. I literally have one poking me in the top of the head. But I mean, all in all, I mean, it's cute. Would I go to the trouble to do it again like this? No. It's way too much work to do it, and I've got too many bobby pins stuck literally in my head. They're starting to hurt. So hopefully you guys enjoy this update with it, and let's see what it looks like. Let me go ahead and take it down because like I said, it is starting to hurt my head. The reason why I push the bobby pins in from the bottom up is because sometimes when I put them in and face them down, not only does it not hold my hair very well, but they also jab me in the head. And they give me a headache. And I'm already prone to migraines. So I do not want to encourage that behavior. Did you get off my hair? Holy crap. Well, it looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket. Well, it's flipping up nicely. It literally looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket. Oh my god. Let's see if I can fix this. Top of my hair is still really wet, and it's been 5 or 6 hours since I washed my hair. Okay, that's a little bit more manageable. trying to smooth it down as best as possible because my hair has a lot of volume to it. I don't mind that it's flipping up. I'm losing hair. I'm just gonna drop it on my cat. He doesn't seem to give a crap. And if you worry about it still being fluffy, you can just take the fine tooth comb side of comb. And I went from a 2019 hairstyle to a 50s hairstyle. I just combed my earring. What are you doing down there, son? Alright, there we have it. It's fixed as best as I can fix it for now, because all of this is still wet. So hopefully with it drying the rest of the way down, I'll be able to show you how to get the black. I'll probably record tomorrow and show you what I mean when I talk about when you flip your hair like this and hairspray it, how it literally picks the hair apart so it flips out nice and easy. And me and my big kitty here, who was laying in my dirty laundry basket. What? Are you gonna say goodbye for now? Right, Bubby? You're just gonna purr. You're rotten boy. My big old cat.